Do you want to know?
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing deep conditioning on my short natural hair. So if you're interested, keep watching. So now it's time to blend the things I'll be using, and the first thing I will use is avocado, and I'm using half of this avocado. What I will just do is to cut it into an half, and then I'm going to use the half, but towards the end I decide to add a little to it because I want much of the avocado, like so, as you can see what I'm doing now. So guys, like as you can see now, and I want to say something before you use your avocado, make sure it's well ripe. So the second thing I'm adding to this is banana, and I'm using the whole of the banana, and I'm using a very ripe banana also. Then I'll move on by adding one egg, and I'm using the yolk and the white part. So all this that I'm doing, this egg is to add enough protein and moisturize my eye. So I'll move on to use my DIY oil. This oil is aloe vera and avocado also. Then I'll move ahead. I'll add 1 tablespoon of black castor oil, and I'm using Jamaica castor oil, and also 2 tablespoons of almond oil. All this oil I'm using because I love oil on my hair, and also 2 tablespoons of extra virgin oil, and I'm using just 2 tablespoons of it. You can use 1 tablespoon, depends on you, but I love oil on my deep conditioning, and aside that I have low porosity, so it requires a lot of oil. So these are the all the ingredients and the fruit I add to here. So I went ahead to blend it smoothly. Remember that you don't have to add water to it because the oil is enough water to blend it. Then I'll just put it in my bowl, and this is how it looks like. So let's go ahead and apply it on my hair. So guys, these are the consistency of the deep conditioning looks like, and this is DIY deep conditioning. It's very good. You can use it on your hair, you can use it on your relaxed hair. So I'll just go ahead and apply it, and I'm applying it in session, and I apply it in 3 sessions on my hair. So I'll just start with this session here and just apply it bit by bit so that it will penetrate well on my hair. It will enter my scalp very well. So just as you can see, I'm just going in little by little. So keep watching, and if you are still watching this video and you like what you are seeing, just click on the red subscribe button down there to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification icon so you'll be the first person to know whenever I put on new video. So guys, now that I've applied it, I'll just go ahead to use my wide tooth mat comb to comb it all together to make sure everything is well combined. The deep conditioning and my hair is well combined together, as you can see what I'm doing right now. Make sure to comb it just when you apply your relaxer anyway. You know, when you apply relaxer, you have to do it gently and gently. So I'll just go ahead, now that I'm done with the other side, I'll just go ahead and wrap it up, then move on to the other side. So for this part, I just repeat the same step I did on the first one. Just apply it well there, comb. So, and another thing I did also, I also massage my scalp. As I rub it, I massage so that everything will penetrate into my scalp very well. So because this required a lot of attention, make sure you pay attention to your hair and to your scalp. So I'm just going to comb it. Like I said earlier, I repeated the same step here. So guys, and also make sure to check the description down there because I'll be leaving other information concerning this deep conditioning. So I'm done applying everything. I'm just going to cover my hair first with a plastic bag before using my hot cap so that the deep conditioning will penetrate very well on my hair, my scalp. And also why this step is very important, because I have a low porosity hair, so I want it to be very penetrate. And I set a time. I set it for 30 minutes so that everything will be well done. So guys, this is my hair after 30 minutes. You can see that it's well penetrated, it's well heated, and I forget to state that I use a low heat while doing that. So guys, this is how it is, and I went ahead to wash my hair with my shampoo and my conditioner. So guys, to keep my hair moisture, I'm going to use this cattle shea butter leave-in conditioner to go in first before using my oil. I'm going to apply a generous amount of leave-in conditioner on my hair, and then I'll go in with my castor oil, as you can see, and I'm using black Jamaican castor oil. And I'm going to apply also a generous amount and then comb my hair. So guys, my hair looks super soft and moisturized and also very black, as you can see. Oh my god, my hair have grown just a month after doing my big shop, and you can see the length of my hair, guys. This is so good. You have to try it on your hair. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.